Alright, Tyrese, let's get it one time.
Say, bitch, I do it. $1 million stacking loud, packing, man, my weed and pockets matching. What is you asking? Shut the fuck up. I'm talking in the real nigga accent, man, and all these hoes attracted to the fucking main attraction at my shows. Watch me do 100 bottles, none for you. I'm rolling weed up, getting high. And since I came up, she want me to come inside. I'm the fucking guy, man, I'm just too much, yeah, too much. I twist my fingers, my crew up. I'm from where niggas get chewed up. Fucked around and I blew up. Me and my niggas hit the charts. Fucked around and I flew up, man, yeah, nigga got 2 nuts. And I still don't give a 2 fucks, bitch, I do it.
Gotta be a keeper. I don't think I ever seen a girl so fly. Since I said nice to meet ya, I don't wanna leave her. Ooh, I think I really wanna make you mine. Ooh, baby, you're a diva. I don't wanna see her end up with any other guy. Come over to my table, I got what you came for. Pick up a glass, girl, and let's get right. Cause you got a head, love a body. Let me take you to jail, little mama. Cause you got what I need, and I got what you came for. I can give you what these other niggas ain't able. Well, baby girl, we doing it so big. I make them other niggas wanna do it like this. Well, baby girl, we doing it so good. I keep on buying bottles if you keep on doing that. Go ahead and do it, do it, do it, do it. Tell them bring them fireworks to my table. Go ahead and do it, do it, do it, do it. I'ma keep it moving as long as you can do it.
Let's get it one time.
Hey, we got buckets full of ice, liquor bottles all in it at the club, stunning hard, stealing all y'all women. Never ask how to get them, just ask how many of them. Buy down and respect this pimpin', pimpin'. Ain't no BS here, she highs, I'm gon' be next year. We lead the club, they meet us there. On they back feet in the air, tatted on her derriere, and piercings where it's very rare. Ain't no simpin' in me, player, we ballin', we be everywhere. I'm fly without a parasail, she say I'm sweet as caramel. She rub my back, that come with happy endings like a fairy tale. Better ask Tyrese about my freaks, I didn't hit 6, it's not my week. You feel they purse, I feel they cheap. Say gentlemen, but still AG. In Cali and Miami, women standing on my table. See them bottles with them fireworks, know where they on the way to
go. We doing it so big. I make them other niggas wanna do it like this. Well, baby girl, we doing it so good. I keep on buying bottles if you keep on doing that. Go ahead and do it, do it, do it, do it. Tell them bring them fireworks to my table. Go ahead and
bring it over here.
Do it, do it.
Bring every last one of them bottles of fireworks over here. Take for me. Holla. Shorty let it when your nigga really count this cash. Wait a minute, shout it. Better know when nigga really let it when you go and bounce your ass. Right. Y'all already know the shit that I be doing when a nigga coming in. I go and do it to the street and then I get up on the mic and then I walk it and I talk it and I'm stringing on a nigga when I get up on the beat. Where the fireworks bottles at? Hurry up. Go sit down while I rock shit up. Y'all don't want a problem when I come and kinda step in the party. Y'all niggas know I always fuck shit up. You can hear my verse and wanna cut shit up. Always keep it heated cause I must grip up. No slouch, kill a nigga, no doubt. Like we in a coke house, everybody cut bricks up.
So big, I make them other niggas wanna do it like this. Well, baby girl, we doing it so good. I keep on buying bottles if you keep on doing that. Go ahead and